This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, January 19th. Stock index futures coming under some pressure after two Fed officials, James Bullard and Loretta Mester, stressing the need to raise interest rates beyond 5% to bring inflation down to their target of 2%. However, I don't think the Fed can be quite this hawkish given the current economic situation. Between meetings, the Fed does have latitude to be a little more hawkish in what they're saying, but I think once the Fed meeting comes around, which is now scheduled for February 1st, the Fed may have to be a bit less aggressive in their rhetoric, although it still looks like they will be raising at the upcoming meeting by 25 basis points. Also some pressure today after recent reports showing the economy may be a bit on the weaker side. That was yesterday's retail sales numbers, producer prices, industrial production, all coming in weaker than anticipated. Today, more of a mixed trade on economic reports with housing starts and permits basically offsetting as far as those numbers. And we did have the Philadelphia Fed Index coming in with a smaller negative number. I'm inclined to think that we will see some recovery today, this afternoon, at least in the stock index futures from these lower levels. Currency markets still seeing interest rate differential expectations as basically neutral, so I would expect breakouts to fail in both directions in the currency markets. Better opportunities, however, in the interest rate futures markets, as I think the Fed, as I said previously, will be less hawkish than they are currently saying. It also appears that inflation globally, at least in Europe and in the US, has peaked, meaning that interest rates have probably peaked and futures have probably bottomed. So any breaks we do see in the interest rate futures markets should be used as buying opportunities. In the currently lower prices we're seeing this morning, I think will not prevail. I think we'll see a move to higher on the day, at least in some of the futures. So the main trend on the interest rate futures markets is higher. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.